Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Telegram on PC. Now to use Telegram on your PC, you can either install the feature-rich desktop app or use Telegram web directly in your browser. Both versions automatically sync with your mobile account, allowing you to switch between devices seamlessly. Now to do so, all you have to do is go ahead and download a Telegram application on your desktop or head to your any browser site and type in telegram.com. Now once you head there, go ahead and open your main device or your mobile phone in which your Telegram is logged in. Now head to this profile icon. From there you will head to this setting icon located at the bottom. From there tap on this option called devices. From there, you will find this option called Link Telegram Desktop or Web by scanning a QR code. Now, once you install a Telegram in your desktop or open a web browser, from there you will get a QR code. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this Link Device button. From here, you will find this QR code scanning option. And once you have scanned your QR code, your account will be automatically logged into that particular PC. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.